Hello students, in this video we will learn how to reverse a doubly linked list. First we see logic, then we will write algorithm according to it. We have given a doubly linked list containing 3 nodes having values 10, 20 and 5. L is pointing to first node and R is pointing to last node. To reverse a doubly linked list, what we have to do, we have to just interchange the previous and link pointers. That means we have to swap link and previous pointer of nodes so that a doubly linked list will reverse. So its logic is very simple as compared to singly linked list. First we point temp to first node of the doubly linked list, and we know that L store the address of the first node, so we have to write temp equals to L. Now we check whether the temp is not equals to null. We repeat these steps till the value of temp is not equals to null, because when temp is equals to null, that means we traverse all the doubly linked list and there is no node remaining. So now temp is at first node. What we have to do, we have to swap previous pointer value and next pointer value of node pointed by temp. So we swap these two values by using a third pointer x. First we store value of temp next in x, then we will change temp next pointer by temp previous, and now we change temp previous by x. To swap any two values, we can use a third variable, and suppose the values are a and b. First we have to write t equals to a, and whatever you write in right hand side of equals to, you have to change that first. That means first we have to change the value of a, then we will change the value of b by t. Here first I am storing value of temp next into x, then first I have to change the temp next by temp previous, and then temp previous by x. You cannot change this order, otherwise the result will be wrong. Value of previous is now 500 and the value of next pointer is null. Now we have to move the temp to this node having address 500, which is stored in now temp previous. We have to write temp equals to temp previous. That means temp is now pointing to this node. Temp is pointing to this node. Again this loop will repeated, and we have to check whether the value of temp is not equals to null. This condition is true because temp contains 500. Again we have to swap temp previous and temp next with each other. By this logic, values of previous and next are changed. Previous contains 205 and next pointer contains 100. Again temp will move to temp previous, that means 205, which is the address of this node. So now temp is at this node. Again we swap the value. Temp previous contains null value and temp next contains 500 value. Then temp will move to temp previous, that means null. Now temp contains null, so this condition is false. Value of temp is null, so null is not equals to null, condition is false. So now previous and next pointer of each node are swapped. Node which is pointed by L, which is the first node of doubly linked list, is now the last node of doubly linked list. We have to make this pointed by R pointer, and the node which is previously pointed by R is now the first node of the doubly linked list after reversing. So we have to make this node pointed by L. So we have to swap L and R. R will point to this node and L will point to this node. So we have to swap L and R by using third pointer. T equals to L, L equals to R and R equals to T. Now this node is pointed by R and this node is pointed by L. Before reversing we have this linked list, and after reversing a linked list we have this linked list. This node is first node of doubly linked list, and this is the second node, and this is the last node of doubly linked list. Next is algorithm. First we have to write algorithm colon, then D reverse, that means we are reversing a doubly linked list. Parameters we required are L and R. L is pointer to first node and R is pointer to last node. Purpose of this algorithm is this algorithm reverses the doubly linked list. Step 1 is check for empty linked list. If value of L equals to null, then print no doubly linked list is available to reverse and exit from this algorithm. If there is no node in doubly linked list, then how we can reverse a doubly linked list? So we have to exit from this algorithm. But if the value of L is not equals to null, that means doubly linked list is not empty. So first we have to traverse the doubly linked list and swap previous and next pointer values of each node. So we start from first node by writing temp colon equals to L and repeating a loop while temp is not equals to null. First we have to swap temp next and temp previous. So by using third pointer x, we swap these values by writing x equals to temp next equals to temp previous, and temp previous equals to x. And then finally we have to update the temp pointer to next node by writing temp colon equals to temp previous. And when all nodes next pointer and previous pointers are swapped, then we have to swap the L and R pointers by writing T equals to L, L equals to R, and R equals to T. And step 3 is AND. In next video we will see how to reverse a circular singly linked list. Thank you.